आपलो हेतू स्पष्ट आसा. सहकारी संस्थांनी आपल्या जायत्या सेवा केंद्रांचेर विस्तार तशेंच आधुनिकरण आणि विविधताय हाडची पडटली. तेच बरोबर पतपुरवण, इनपुट सेवा प्रक्रिया, विमो आणि डिजिटल वितरणाक आधार दिवचो म्हण मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत उलयल्यात. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The pact transformations in the energy through the digitalizations, the computerization, the strength of the pact is not merely about the software. It is about the ensuring last mile credit and service reaching the farmer quickly and transparently. The Ministry of the Cooperative, the Government of India, NABARD and the Government of Goa are working together to modernize this strength. I congratulate everyone involved in these transformations. Going forwards, our aim is clear. The cooperative must expand, modernize, and diversify the multiple service centers and supporting the credit, storage, and input services, processing, insurance, and digital delivery.